Good morning everyone, may buntag kaninyong tanan. My name is Ray Miliada at nandito tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village. At i-feature ko naman sa inyo ngayon ito pong isang bahay ng kliyente natin, which is for sale po siya, nag-build and sell. And good news po dahil ang house na ito maging available siya by May or June 2021. Guys, once again, my name is Ray Miliada at welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video po, at i-feature ko naman sa inyo ngayon itong ongoing construction na house dito po sa Grand Antel, which is ready for occupancy po ito this May or June 2021. At alam nyo ba, ito po ay situated dito sa corner lot with the lot area of 150 square meters. And ang floor area nito po is nasa 205 square meters. Samahan niyo po ako guys at puntahan natin sa loob. Alright. So now. And of course, ang turnover natin ito. So ibibenta yung house na ito po all in. Ibig sabihin po, mayroon siyang fence, mayroon na siyang gate. Naka-interior na po yung pinakabuong house. At meron po itong island dito sa kitchen area. Ang theme ng bahay na ito guys is a Zen type modern house. Alright, samahan niyo po ako guys sa loob. Alright guys, so samahan niyo po ako guys, pasukin natin sa loob. So this is the porch area. So makikita niyo po naka-elevate yung house. Pero ito guys, lalagyan pa itong fence. And then meron kang space dito po for your landscape area kasi this is a corner lot ng house. So this is the porch area. And ito yung pinaka car garage area niya po. Actually po, kasya po ito ng dalawang sasakyan. Pero ang ganda, ang taas ng pinaka bahay na ito guys. Okay. So, kung naghahanap po kayo ng ready for occupancy, so this house po available next month, May or June. So, this is the living area. And what makes you surprised is, this house is a high ceiling house. Ayan, look at this. Wow. And of course, itong area na ito guys, ito yung pinaka-entertainment area dito po sa side nito. And this is the living area po. Ang floor area nito po or laki ng house is nasa 205 square meters up and down. And this is the kitchen area. Look at that. Ayan guys. So inaayos na nila yan kasi interior po yan siya. Ito turn over ito as interior. At makikita niyo po yung laki ng mga panels. I think this one, lalagyan pa to ng sliding door. Yeah. Then, dito sa ibaba, meron kang isang common CR. And this is the rear side. So, nakasemento na siya. At ang house po is naka-overlap siya ng 1 meter. So, dito sa side nito, nandito yung pinaka-space for the garden. At dito pa po sa isang side nito. Ayan. So, itong bahay na ito po is already viewing na siya. At alam niyo ba kung magkano po ito guys? Ayan, this is the kitchen. Pero the kitchen, this is a toilet area. So, ayan po. And, akitin natin sa itaas na. 1. So, ang dami niyang, this is a high ceiling house. At ito po, alam ko lalagyan pa ito ng mga plank. Okay, so nasa second floor na po tayo. Alright, guys. Nasa second floor na tayo guys. So this is the family hall. This is the hallway. And this is the family area. Then this is the bedroom 1. Yan. This one is the common CR dito sa itaas. Pero ito guys, ang pinakamaganda kasi this is a open below house. Yan. Okay. Then dito sa ibang side, ito po mayroong balcony dito guys. Sa rear balcony dito sa likod. And this is the second room. This is the second bedroom. So, magandang house, no? Family area. And this is the master's bed. Wow! Lawak. This is the master's bedroom. Meron siyang balcony, paikot sa master's bed. And dito po, walk-in closet area. And then the master's toilet and bath dito po sa area natin guys. Ayan. Alright. So, ito pong house na ito guys is ready for viewing na siya. And, ang total contract price nito nandito sa description. So, available pa ito through bank financing and cash term. So, they are selling this house as gross. Nasa description po natin yung pinaka price ng house na ito guys. Alright, so if you are interested, kung gusto niyo po lumipat po kayo o makalipat kayo ng I think May or June, no? This year 2021. So itong house na ito guys is tamang-tama para sa inyo. Alright, so thank you and see you po again, no? Dito po sa aking YouTube channel. God bless po. Maluwag naman hagdanan. Okay guys, thank you po and God bless po sa ating